Hi students, very good afternoon dear students. Today we are discussing about chapter name is matrices and determinant. Exercise is 1.6 third question. See the third question. Verify adjointment of AB is equal to adjointment of AB is equal to adjointment of B into adjointment of A. Verify both the conditions are equal or not. Verify. The given matrix A matrix is given 2 minus 3 1 minus 6 and B matrix is given minus 1 4 1 minus 2. So we have to verify the given conditions are equal or not. See the solution. Given capital A matrix is 2 minus 3 1 minus 6. What is the adjointment of A, dear students? Adjointment of A. See the formula. If capital A is equal to the given square matrix is A, B, C, D, then adjointment of A is equal to, without using transpose of the cofactor of element small a, G, without using, how to find the adjointment of A means these two elements are interchanging, means A replaced with D replaced with A. Next, these two terms are does not interchanging. You should write as negative B, negative C. These two numbers are interchanging, but these two numbers are not interchanging. Only we are adding negative. So suppose this formula not using, normally by using the adjointment of A formula, how to find the adjointment of A means, see here, adjointment of A is equal to transpose of the matrix capital Aij. Aij is nothing but cofactor of an element small aij. First we have to taking adjointment of A. Which element we are taking? That particular row, that particular columns are eliminated. What as left of the rows? These are left of the element. B we are taking. So B present in the first or second columns are eliminated. So left of the element is C. Next, C we are taking, left of the element is D. D we are taking, left of the element is A. Of the element symbol plus, minus, plus. Next, transpose of the matrix nothing but interchanging rows and columns. So this interchanging rows and columns, first row interchanging first column B minus A, second column interchanging minus B, A. Okay, here applying the definition of the adjoint A formula without using definition, how to find the direct adjointment of A means these two numbers are interchanging, but these two numbers are not interchanging. Only we are adding negative symbol. So that is your wish, dear students. We can apply formula based on by using the definition of the adjointment of A formula. We can find the adjointment. That is your wish. So I am applying directly. Adjointment of A is equal to, these two numbers are interchanging. 2 replaced with minus 6 replaced with 2. Next, these two numbers are not interchanging. We are adding minus half, minus 3 and minus 1. This is adjointment of A. This is adjointment of A. Simplify this one. Minus 6 minus half minus plus 3 minus 1. This is adjointment of A. So like that we need to calculate adjoint B also. So B matrix given is minus 1, 4, 1, minus 2. Now adjointment of B is, these two numbers are interchanging. Minus 1 replaced with minus 2, minus 2 replaced with minus 1. These two numbers not interchanging. We are adding minus. So minus 4, minus 1. This is adjointment of B. See the left hand side they given adjointment of AB. So first we need to calculate AB matrix. So A matrix is 2, minus 3, 1, minus 6. Next substitute B matrix is minus 1, 4, 1, minus 2. Now product with these two matrices. Here product with first row, first column. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Product with first row, first column. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus minus 3 into 1 is minus 2. Next product with first row, second column. 2 into 4, that value is 8 plus minus 3 into minus 2, that value is plus 6. So now, what is the position of the element? This one, first row, first column. First row, second column. That's the product with first row, first column, right? First row and first column places, and product with first row, second column, that element write as first row, second row place. Second column place. Next product with second row, first column. 1 into minus 1, minus 1 plus minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. Next product with second row, second column. 1 into 4, 4 plus minus 6 into minus 1, that value is plus 2. Simplify this one. Minus 2 minus 2, that value is minus 5. 8 plus 6, that value is 14. Minus 1 minus 6, that value is minus 7. 4 plus 12, that value is 16. This is AB matrix. The left hand side we are taking LHS part. They are asking find adjointment of AB. Adjointment of AB means these two numbers are interchanging, means minus 5 replaced with the 16, 16 replaced with the minus 5. These two numbers does not interchange, only we are adding negative symbol. Minus 14, minus of minus 7. So that negative. These two numbers are interchanging, we will get 16 and minus 5. These two numbers does not, we are only adding negative. Minus 14, minus of minus plus 7. I am writing directly minus of minus plus 7. This is the LHS part. Next we need to calculate RHS. What is the RHS given? Adjointment of B into adjointment of A. Adjointment of B into adjointment of, you know, substitute the adjointment of B matrix is minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, minus 1 into adjointment of A matrix is minus 6, 3, minus 1, 2. Now product with first row, first column. So minus 2 into minus 6, that value is plus 12 plus minus 4 into minus 1, that value is plus 4. Next product with first row, second column. Minus 2 into 3, that value is minus 6 plus minus 4 into 2, that value is minus 8. Product with the first row, first column. Product first row, second column. Next product with second row, first column. Minus 1 into minus 6 plus 6 plus minus 1 into minus 1, that value is plus 7. Next product with second row, second column. Minus 1 into 3, that value is minus 3 plus minus 1 into 2, that value is minus 2. Simplify this one. 12 plus 4, that value is 16. Minus 6 minus 8, that value is minus 14. 6 plus 1, that value is 7. Minus 3 minus 2, that value is minus 5. This is RHS is adjointment of B into adjointment of A. Observe here, LHS condition and RHS condition, both the conditions are equal. So both the matrices are equal. So write conclusion, LHS is equal to RHS. The LHS is nothing but adjointment of AB is equal to adjointment of B into adjointment of A. This is solution of this question. Here says, first what are the given matrices, right? Given matrix A matrix and B matrix. Find the adjointment of A into adjointment of B. Without using definition of the adjointment of A, how to find the adjointment of A means these two numbers are interchanging, means interchanging diagonal elements. These two elements are does not interchange. You can including only negative. Minus of minus is plus 3, plus into minus 1 is minus 1. So this is the adjointment of A. Like that we need to get adjointment of A. After that, see the question they are asking verify. The given condition is adjointment of AB is equal to adjointment of B into adjointment of A. You don't know AB matrix. So we are taking first of AB matrix. After that, we need to calculate adjointment of AB. Next, take RHS condition is adjointment of B into adjointment of A. So provide those two matrices, we get the one matrices observing both the conditions are equal or not. So in this question, both the conditions are equal. So writing conclusion is LHS is equal to RHS. This is the solution of this question, dear friends. I think you will understand this question. See the second question. Not second question. Question number 4. So I think you will understand question number 3. See the question number 4. Very easy all the questions. You are understanding the concept. So what I am explaining all the questions practice in your room, students. See the question number 4. That one also very easy. Question number 4. The question number 4 is if capital A is equal to the given 3 by 3 matrix is 1 minus 1 3 1 minus 1 3 minus 2 4 1 minus 2 4 1 5 minus 4 0 5 minus 4 0 and B matrix is 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 4. Then find adjointment of A into B. Then find adjointment of A into B. See here, whenever they given A is a 2 by 2 matrix, easily identify the adjointment of A. Whenever A is the given 3 by 3 matrix, how to find the adjointment of A? There one is a shortcut method is there, but in final exam no need to write a shortcut method. That's why I am follow the definition of the adjointment of A. See the solution. Given capital A is equal to 1 minus 1 3 minus 2 4 1 5 minus 4 0 and B is equal to 2 minus 1. Now we need to calculate adjointment of A because of in this question there are find adjointment of A into B. That's why we need to calculate adjointment of A first. See here, now first element, what is the first element here? 1 you are taking that deleting ith rows and jth column. What is the left of the elements here? The left of the elements are 4 1 minus 4 0. Next minus 1 you are taking, minus 1 present in the first row, second columns are deleted. So write as determinant of the left of the elements are minus 2 1 5 0. Next 3 you are taking, 3 present in the first or third columns are eliminated. Write as determinant of left of the elements is minus 2 4 5 minus 4. So transpose of the matrix capital Aij. Aij is nothing but minus 1 all to the power of I plus j into Mij. First we need to calculate it Mij. Mij is nothing but what? Deleting I close and j column, then the remaining element of the determinants, then it is called minor. First we are writing minor elements. Now next we are going to second row. Second row. Minus 2 present in the first row, first columns are eliminated. First row, not first row, second row and first columns are eliminated. Write as determinant of the left of the elements. One is a minus 1, 3, minus 4, 0. Next, 4 you are taking, 4 present in the second row, second columns are eliminated. Write as left of the elements are 1, 3, 5, 0. 5. So next, 1 you are taking, 1 present in the second row, third columns are eliminated. Write as left of the elements are 1, minus 1, 5 minus 4. Next we are going to third row. Now 5 project in the third row, first columns are eliminated. Write as determinant of left of the elements is -1, 3, 4, 1. Next minus 4 you are taking. -4 project in the first row, not first row, third row, and second columns are eliminated. So determinant of left of the elements is 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, -2, 1. Next 0 you are taking. 0 project in the third row, third columns are eliminated. So determinant of left of the element is 1, -1, -2. So after finding the minor elements, you can put the symbol. First here alternative symbol plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. We can take a row wise or column wise symbol. Everything will be equal only. So next we have to apply the cross multiplication method. AD minus BC. Whenever if capital A is equal to ABCD, then determinant of A means determinant of ABCD. We can apply cross multiplication method. AD minus BC. AD minus BC form. We are also applying the AD minus BC form. So now adjointment of A is equal to plus, take square bracket, 4 into 0, 0, minus 4 into 1 is -4, minus of minus, plus 4. Next, minus, here also same form apply, -2 into 0, 0, minus 5 into 1 is 5. Next, plus, -2 into -4, that value is 8, minus 5 into 4, that value is 20. Next, here same form apply, -1 into 0, 0, minus 4 into 3, -12, minus of minus, plus 12. Next we have the same formula, 1 into 0, 0, minus 5 into 3, 50. Next, 1 into -4, -4, minus 5 into -1 is -5, minus of minus, plus 5. Here also apply the cross multiplication method. -1 into +1 is -1, minus 4 3 is 12. Next, here also 1 into 1, 1, minus -2 into 3 is -6, minus or minus, plus 6. Same formula apply here also. 1 into 4 is 4, minus -2 into -1, plus 2, plus or minus is -2. Now simplify this one. Adjointment of A is equal to 0 plus 4, 4, 0 minus 5, minus of minus, plus 5, 8 minus 4, 20, minus 12. Next, 0 plus 12 value is plus 12, minus into plus 12, that value is minus 12, 0 minus 15, minus 15, minus into plus, minus 15 only, minus 4 plus 1, that value plus 1, minus into plus 1, that value is minus 1. Next, minus 1 minus 2, that value is minus 13, minus of plus, that value is minus 13, 1 plus 6 is 7, minus into plus 7, that value is minus 7, and 4 minus 2, the value is 2. That is transpose. Now, transpose of the matrix is nothing but interchanging rows and columns. Means first row replace with first column, second row replace with second column, third row replace with third column. That's why interchanging rows and columns. That's why first row interchanging first column. So first row is 4, 5 minus 12 can be written as first column. So first horizontal elements write as vertically. Second row horizontal elements can be written as second column vertically. Second row is minus 12, the elements can be written as vertically minus 12, minus 15, minus 1. Next, third row interchanging third column or else third row horizontal elements can be written as third column vertically. So minus 30, minus 7. This is the adjointment of fifth. Now we need to calculate adjointment of A into B. We need to calculate adjointment of A into B. So now adjointment of A is 4 minus 12 minus 13, 5 minus 15 minus 7 minus 12 minus 1 into B is 2 into minus 1 4. Now observe here, this is the order of the matrix is 3 by 3. This is the order of the matrix is 3 by 1. Whenever product is possible, number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Product is possible. Finally, adjointment of A into B, order of the matrix is 3 by 1 matrix. We get order of the matrix is, we get 3 by 1. What is the order of the matrix adjointment of A to B? 3 by 1 matrix. How? Product with first row, first column. So now product 4 into 2, 8. After that click symbol is plus. Minus 2 into minus 1, the value is plus 12. Plus minus 13 into 4 is the value is minus 52. So first column is over. So next we are going to second row. Product with second row, first column. So 5 into 2, 10 plus minus 15 into minus 1, that value is plus 15 plus minus 7 into 4 that is minus 28. Next we are going to product with third row, first column. Minus 12 into 2, that value is minus 24 plus minus 1 into minus 1, that value is plus 1 plus 2 into 4, that value is 8. Simplify this one. 8 plus 12, that value is 20 plus into minus minus 52. 10 plus 15, that value is 25 plus into minus minus 28 minus 24 plus 1 plus 8 is 9 is equal to 20 minus 52, that value is minus 32. 25 minus 28, that value is minus 3. Minus 24 plus 9, that value is minus 15. This is the adjointment of A into B matrix is minus 32, minus 3, minus 15. What is the order of the matrix? This is how many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? Only 1 column. So finally we get the order of the matrix 3 by 1. So adjointment of A to B matrix values are minus 32, minus 3, minus 15. This is the solution of this question. So I think you are understanding this question also. So what I have explained all the questions yesterday class and today classes versus practice you are doing. Okay? If any doubt is there, please call to me. I will explain your doubts. Thank you all.